Welcome back to Great White North Corvette. Just want to give a special thanks out to Michael Brink for the Brink of Speed t-shirt. I sent him a shirt and he sent me one back. Nice comfy shirts. The color even matches the car. Thank you, Michael. I've been watching him on YouTube ever since I got my C8, so I'm hoping to meet him down at Carlisle this year. All depends if we can come back from the United States. I added on another piece of red to the car down at the bottom here. All they are is a vinyl overlay. Just get them wet and squeegee them on. Or you can just use them as a sticker and try to stick them on. I found it was a little bit easier putting a little water and adjusting them and then letting the water dry underneath, soapy water. As you can see, it matches up very close to the torch red. They have different colors. If you're interested in getting some for your C8, it's a nice little eye popper. I'll put the website in the description. Thanks to Amy at C8strutcovers.com. We have some strut covers to put on today. They sent us the strut covers for free so we could do a review and show them out to you guys. This is what they look like. Black. Like a rough coating on the top. The cost are $55 US for the pair. 55 bucks is well worth to protect your front strut covers. They have two different versions. They have ones for the mag ride and ones for without mag ride. These are ones with the mag ride. As you can see, the mag ride cable can slip through in here. Okay, now we're gonna pop the frunk and get to the strut covers. Here we go. The installation should only take about 30 minutes. And you only need one tool, 10mm socket. First, you got to remove the 3 plastic pieces. These here are held in with clips. So you just pull them out. If you haven't had them out before, they might be a little tougher to get out. So far these are coming out really easy. I've never had them apart before, but it seems to be flowing nice.
There's one clip up here too, so be careful.
So as you can see, there is some dirt built up in there. A little leaf.
So you can definitely tell some water's been getting in there.
Yeah, a little bit over here. Not too bad though. Vacuum in there.
And here's the other side. You can definitely see this one has actually a little bit of water in it.
Does it?
So the strut covers, they're supposed to stop this water from getting in here because in there are the bolts, so you don't really want those rusting out.
So what I'm gonna do here is just vacuum them all out if there's any dirt or anything water in them. There wasn't much water on the driver's side, but there was quite a bit of water here on the passenger side, and I keep my car in the garage all the time, so there's still water in there. So I'm gonna take a cloth and wipe them out.
So yeah, this car stays in the garage like 90% of the time, and even still there's water in the strut covers.
You can feel some like gook in there. Okay, I just finished drying out all the struts. There's still water in that one. Okay, I'm just stuffing these in with paper towel. They're about almost 4 inches deep. They're not easy. As you can see, there is water in there. That one was dry. That one's dry. It seems to be the only two with water in are the ones closest to the middle of the car. So you definitely want to dry these out before you put the strut covers on. There's a lot more water in here than I thought. Okay, here we go to attempt to put this on. It looks like this cap is in the way there. That wasn't bad at all. Now I use the zip tie to hold that down.
Make sure you don't
put the cap back on. Mr. Zip Tie. There's a hole on top of the strut cover for the zip tie to go through. Now I just have to clip that off. As you can see, I have it on there. So to finish this up, we just have to cut the zip tie on top here. I'm good to go. Now we'll come over to do the driver's side. There's a little wire in there. I have to pop that out.
Is it zip tied or is it just?
Okay, you gotta take this clip out. Just grab this wire with both hands and give it a tug. And it will come off. That will sit above the cover. So this is where you need your 10mm socket to go onto this bolt. It's the bolt that secures your windshield washer fluid. That's the bolt there. So you're gonna slip this tab here in between these two. Here we go. Slide that underneath. Kind of lift this up a bit. And that will sit in between.
Oh, I didn't say it was or it wasn't. It just
Yeah,
asked
that's
if it
going
was.
in, you silly bugger.
And it's tightening up.
Yeah. Just kind of make sure everything's on there nice and tight. There we go. Strut covers are done. Thanks again to C8 Strut Covers. It took about 15 minutes to put them on. All you need for a tool is a 10mm socket. As you can see, they're a nice tight fit in there. And now you don't have to worry about water rusting out your struts. So I'm gonna put a link in the description. They'll be $55. So it's well worth the investment to protect the strut covers because the water does sit in them and they will rust out. All right, I'm gonna put the plastic pieces back on now, clickety click. All done. 15-minute fix. Easiest thing I've done on the C8 yet. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Give me the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate the support. See you in the next video. Great White North Corvette.